a contractor to do work on your home can be a little bit of an unknown. I have Fab from Blue Lake Contracting with me, giving us tips on how to determine if your contractor is trustworthy. Fab, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Fab, let's start with the crucial question. How can a homeowner determine if their contractor is trustworthy?
Yeah, it all comes down to two important factors. One, having an established business, of course, licensed, insured, being bonded, a place of operation, a good built brand of recognition, and in-house personnel. The quoting process and scheduling, of course, and performing the in-home consultation, providing you or the customer valid credentials, providing a detailed estimate showing the cost of each scope of the work that needs to be performed to execute your project. Some guys may not even want to come to site to meet. They'd rather provide an estimate over the phone or email. If they don't have the time to come out and provide you with a proper quote, what makes you think they're gonna get your job done in a timely fashion? It's important that the contractor you are considering meets you in person so that you can see and feel comfortable with the individual or the company you're potentially hiring to do the job and take your hard-earned money.
That's really great advice. Now, the next concern that homeowners usually have is timeline and budget. How can they find a contractor who will work within their parameters?
Yeah, keep in mind, any good contractor always has work lined up, with a list of customers that have committed to their company to be first in line. So being in a rush, guys, is not always a good thing. So hiring somebody based on their availability is one of the first mistakes that a lot of homeowners and customers make when hiring their contractor of choice. So if you need to be getting your project done in a certain time frame or need to meet a certain date, be proactive. Start looking to hire somebody months in advance. Now, as much as budget is important to everybody, sometimes the expectations also need to be a factor. Like, of course, when going for the cheaper guy or a more cost-effective quote, you get what you pay for. So you might want to ask yourself, like, what part of the quote or the scope is missing that is going to allow him to turn a better profit? It's unfortunate, but that's what really happens when going for the cheaper quote.
Well, thank you so much for being with me today, Fab. Your insight has been extremely valuable.
Yeah, it was my pleasure. Thank you for having me, guys. It was a lot of fun.
For more information, visit markandmandy.com.
To get the job done right the first time, contact the professionals at Blue Lake Contracting, where every project is built tough and built to last.